Hey YouTube, Josh here. I want to show you what I'm up to today is adding a brake light switch. So I've been wheeling a lot of times and really like to put a brake light switch so people know when I'm stopping. It's not a necessity for a rock crawler, but something I've always wanted. That way if I do need to take a quick trip to the gas station, through the back roads or parking lots, at least I have some kind of brake light. In Texas, I can't make this street legal because I don't have fenders, or else I would. But let's go ahead and check out what I got here. All right. Sorry for the background fan noise. It's super hot out here and humid. It's just not something I'm willing to do without. So, got my trusty tube notcher here. If you don't have one and you're an at-home builder or fabricator, it's worth every cent to invest in one of these. Highly recommend it. I'm going to go ahead and use some square tubing. I think it's an inch by 1 inch. I'm going to go ahead and notch this so that I can attach it to my tube. All right, so I was able to get this thing on there. There's a little play, so I made sure that the little lever wasn't hit by that play. So I actually have to hit the brakes before it engages. So pretty simple design. I think it's going to work pretty good. All right, so I wasn't able to make the switch I bought work. I ended up actually breaking it. That sucks. But I decided to make this little bracket here. Okay, it's just 2 pieces of strap. And it's super hot right now, so let's see if I can. Basically, I'm gonna put it like this. And then use this little switch I found in my junk drawer. So these little switches, when you put pressure on them, they complete the circuit. So that's really all I want. Right, so the reason I couldn't get the other one to work is it's backwards. Like I want it's set up to be like push is off and release is on. No, I want the opposite. I want release off, push on. So I happen to have these little switches, so I'm gonna see if they can work. Getting weld on the outside, and has that little switch. So the idea is to mount this something like that. So when you push the pedal in far enough, it clicks. Oh, I need to put it somewhere. What's nice is I'll be able to bend this. It's pretty strong, but I'll be able to bend it till this little clicker lines up just right to where I want it. I think that's going to work pretty good. Keep going. All right, what I ended up doing is just tacking or putting a bead right here at the top. You know, it's kind of hard to see right here, because I wanted this to flex a little bit, this strap to flex a little bit and have the ability to bend it. So plenty to hold on to this really light piece, but see how it works here. So even if I push really hard, I get a little bit of bend in this here, the strap. So pretty happy with that. Pretty easy idea. You know, sometimes you have to use a little bit of ingenuity and creativity in these builds. There's no right or wrong way, in my opinion. as long as it works. It's your build, do what you want. So I actually do have another switch if I wanted to put on the rear, but to be honest, the only time I use just the rears for a dig, so I'm always going to be using these two. So, pretty cool. Well, I got to button up some of the wiring here. I'm out of heat shrink, so I'll need to order some before I finish this off, solder everything. But I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. Hopefully you learned something today. And most important, go off-roading and keep building. Thanks for watching.